Tactical Cajun here, just with a little ammo update and score. Was at my Wally World today and picked up this Perfecta ammo 243 and 308 on clearance. The 243 was $4 a box and the 308 was $7. Comes out to 22 cents a round for the 243 and 38 cents a round for the 308. So if y'all can find it, I would buy it up. It's cheap. Would show y'all the receipt, but this camera doesn't focus. So yeah, little eye candy for y'all with the Ruger LC9 with a hoe grip and an extension mag and a little Spyderco Tenacious. Thank y'all for watching. Good hunting on ammo. Peace out.